So we have our last example. Let's read it together. A class was asked to choose between Benz and Toyota, and both or none. 30% of them chose Benz, 52% of them chose Toyota, and 23% of them chose neither Benz nor Toyota. We have to represent the information on the Venn diagram, and then we have to find the number of students. We have to find the percentage number of students who chose both brands. So this question that we are supposed to solve. So we have our solution, and as I've been saying, the first thing you're supposed to do is to fish out the vital information from the question. So let's write them down. So we have our NU, that is the number of students in the class. Since we are working in percentages, because all the figures were in percentages, we are going to have 100%. Good, because we are working in percentages. Now the number of students who chose Benz. So let's B represent what? Benz. So number of students, percentage number of students who chose Benz. We have how many students? 39%. And then we have, let's see, represent Toyota. So the percentage number of students who chose Toyota, we have how many students? 52 students. 52% of the students. And then the number of students who chose neither Toyota nor what? Benz. We have how many students? 23%. And then we have to find the number of students who chose Toyota and then Benz. Let S represent those students. We have X%, right? Good. Now we are done with the information. Let's draw our Venn diagram. So we have to find Benz only. Realize that we have X%, which is at the intersection. So to find Benz only, we are going to subtract X from what? 39%. So we have 39 minus what? 39% minus what? X%. And then Toyota only, we are going to have 52% minus what? X%. And then the number of students who did not choose any of these brands, we have what? 23%. Good. So that is that for the Venn diagram. So we are done representing this information on the Venn diagram. The next task is to find the number of students who chose both brands. So we know that when we sum this region, this region, this region, and this region together, it is equal to what? The universal set, or the number of students in the class. So we are going to have 100% is equal to this region, 39% minus what? X%. Then we have plus what? X% plus 52 minus X% plus what? 23%. So we have X% and then minus X% to go. So this will cancel this. We are left with what? 39 plus 52 plus 23 will give us 114 what percent, and then we have minus what? X%. So we are looking for X, right? So we have our X is equal to 114% minus what? 100%, and then we have our X% is equal to what? 14%. So the number of students who chose both brands are what? 14%. The percentage number of students who chose both Toyota and then Benz are what? 14%. Now if the question continues to say that find the percentage number of students who chose exactly one brand. Find the percentage number of students who chose exactly one brand. Then it means that we are going to find this region and then this region, and then we sum them together. So this brings us to the end of today's lesson. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. But I'm going to give you some tutorial set questions. Make sure you pause the video, write them down. You try your hands on it.